Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I just came back from buying some groceries. I had to go to Walmart and then I went to HEB. I went by myself and Michael stayed home with the kids. And I got a few things from Walmart and groceries from HEB from the market. And then I stopped at McDonald's and got the kids some pancakes. So that's what we're doing right now. We're eating. Let me show you the stuff that I got. I bought some sleepy shorts to sleep in. And then I got Lily some, she has pink ones of these. And I got her the green ones. And I saw this shirt and I thought it was so cute and so pretty. I got this shirt. It's kind of like, I don't know what that is. It's like this silver iridescent print on it that says Brave. So I thought that was cute together. Isn't that cute? That's so pretty. So just some comfy clothes for her to wear at home. And then I got this cute shirt. It's like this olive green. And then it ties a little bit up here. I thought that was cute. So I got the kids a little surprise. And it just came right now. So when we go walk the dogs,
I'm riding one now.
they can come with me on the scooter.
Can I ride one now?
No.
Yes. Daddy's just hooking it up together. So this one's Tyler's. It's a black one. You want to take the doggies?
Yes!
We got to put you some shoes. You got your shoes? Okay, I'm going to get the dogs ready, okay?
Okay, got my scooter.
So there she goes with her scooter and her rain boots. Good job, Lily.
I don't know how to do this.
You just have to practice, Mommy. So this is a perfect area to ride your scooters. So it is smooth and it is large. Like there's a lot of space for her to ride, and it's a smooth surface. So she's having so much fun riding it, and so is my son Tyler. I bought them the scooters so when I walk the dogs, they can be riding their scooters. So I thought it was a nice little surprise for them. Well, for her, because she's always wanted one. So I got it for her. I'll go get her. I think, go get it, Mommy. I think Lily's teacher was supposed to come by and drop her off something, so I think she came to drop her off something. So I think that's what it is. What is it, Lily?
What does it say? Can you see? It says, "To Lily, love Miss Clark, just dropping in to say I miss you."
Oh,
cool.
that's from your teacher, Mommy.
Cup.
It's a bendy straw.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
got a bubble pencil.
That's cute.
What is that?
What is that?
It doesn't have water in
Oh, it's a squirter.
it. Yeah!
Oh my god. That's so cute. That's so nice of her.
Oh, it's a magnetic white eraser.
Gotta do it a little bit faster than that. Now go. Go. You could do it when the sun goes down a little bit more when we go outside, okay? Because it's too hot right now. Okay?
Look, look.
So my mother-in-law bought some graduation stuff for Tyler so we can, since he's not really going to have like a graduation where he's going to be able to cross stage, So we're gonna decorate outside for him, put balloons, put these things outside. She bought a little bit of stuff to decorate outside for him. She got him all this stuff. Plus I'm gonna get him a sign as well to put outside. A sign with this picture and his graduation number 2020 and all that stuff, and say congratulations. And yeah. See, you're getting the hang of it. I came home from riding the scooters with Lily and I took a quick shower, just a body shower, 5-minute shower, just really quick. But now I'm gonna start dinner. We're gonna have crispy tacos today.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you're close, I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
Yesterday our air conditioner went out, and so we had to all sleep in the living room because our rooms they weren't hot, but they were a little warm. So we had to bring my mattress, and me, Lily, and Michael slept on the mattress on the floor in our living room, and my son slept on the couch. But we had a friend that came over and fixed it for us for $100, you guys. And the blow motor or something like that went out. So it was gonna cost, to buy that blow motor, it was gonna cost about $700 to fix it. And he ended up fixing the blow motor. So we got so lucky that we know somebody, because every time we have a problem with air conditioning, we call that guy. He's our friend, and oh my god, he's so amazing, so sweet, and he doesn't like try to poke your eyes out. He's just like he's really good at what he does. So we got so lucky, from $700 to $100. Wow.
Photograph of us, without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been. Cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. you since last time. Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay, cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been, cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted, calling you up to see how you've been, cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then.
So I had ordered these from AliExpress, and they're just little flowers, and I bought 3 of them. So I got that one, and then I got this one. They're just flowers. And then I got this one, and I hadn't received it yet. It's been like January, February, March, April. February, March, April. It's been 3 months and I still hadn't gotten it. So I had called them, or I had messaged them. Finally it came today, and when I went to Walmart today, I had just barely got these picture frames today. And look what showed up today as well too. It's an L with flowers. So I got 2 because I didn't think it was gonna come, the L one, and it came today. So now I have to pick up another picture frame. But look how pretty it looks. Oh my God, it's the picture frame with the folder, and it has an L in the middle. It looks so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna put one of these on, and then tomorrow I'll probably pick up another picture frame because I need to go back to Walmart to get toothpaste. So while I'm there, I'll just pick up another one. That's how they're gonna look, and I got them off of Pinterest. So cute. So I just need one more picture frame for this. I'm so excited because they look so pretty. But that's what we're doing today. Lily still doesn't want to put the mattress in my room, so we are still in the living room with the mattress. She still wants it in here. So you ready to take a bath? Let's go take a bath. You looking for some toys? That's all you're gonna take? One more?
I want the gumbo one because it has gumbo.
Okay. You got your tablet. Okay, we're all ready. We're all set. Okay, so take off your clothes. Okay, she is done and for bed. She is so tired. Okay, mommy's gonna go take a bath, okay? Mommy's next. I'll be right out, okay? Okay. Here's your binky.